Welcome back to Sex Education Repo, your go-to channel for exploring the fascinating world of human connection. Today, we're diving lips first into a topic that's both intimately familiar and surprisingly complex: kissing. Have you ever paused mid-smooch and wondered, why are we doing this? Why do humans press their mouths together and exchange saliva? It seems a bit strange when you think about it, but this seemingly simple act is a profound dance of biology, chemistry, and psychology. Let's unravel the science of kissing. The study of kissing is called Philematology, and scientists have dedicated entire careers to understanding why we lock lips. It's not just a human quirk. Variations of kissing-like behaviors are seen in other animals, like bonobos, who kiss to resolve conflict and strengthen social bonds. But for humans, a kiss, especially a romantic one, is a deeply significant and information-rich event. One of the leading theories about the origin of kissing takes us way back to our evolutionary past, to a practice called premastication. Our ancient ancestors, before the convenience of blenders and baby food, would chew food and then pass it directly into their babies' mouths. This mouth-to-mouth feeding was a vital act of survival, but it also became a powerful bonding experience. It was an act of nurturing, trust, and intimacy, forging a strong emotional connection between parent and child. Over millennia, this behavior may have evolved. The positive associations, the feelings of closeness, safety, and care, lingered, and the act of pressing lips together became a gesture of affection in its own right, long after the food was removed from the equation. This act, once purely for sustenance, transformed into a universal symbol of love and connection. But there's more to it than just ancient feeding habits. A kiss is a sensory explosion. Our lips are packed with an incredibly high density of nerve endings, more than almost any other part of our body. They are exquisitely sensitive to touch, pressure, and temperature. When we kiss, these nerves send a cascade of signals straight to our brain, creating a powerful neurological response. This sensory input triggers the release of a cocktail of feel-good chemicals. Dopamine, the neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward, surges, making us feel giddy and euphoric. It's the same chemical that lights up our brain when we enjoy delicious food or listen to our favorite music. Simultaneously, our brain releases oxytocin, often called the love hormone or cuddle chemical. Oxytocin is crucial for social bonding, fostering feelings of attachment, trust, and intimacy. It's the same hormone released during childbirth and breastfeeding, reinforcing the deep connection between a parent and a newborn. And let's not forget serotonin, which elevates our mood and can lead to obsessive thoughts about our partner, explaining why you can't get that special someone out of your head after a particularly amazing kiss. So, a single kiss is essentially a natural high, flooding our system with chemicals that make us feel happy, connected, and deeply bonded to another person. But the real magic of a kiss might be happening on a microscopic level, in the silent, chemical conversation we're having without even knowing it. When we kiss, we're not just exchanging pleasantries, we're swapping biological information. An intimate kiss can transfer up to 80 million bacteria, along with saliva, which contains a wealth of genetic and chemical data about a person. This exchange might sound a little gross, but it plays a crucial role in one of the most important decisions we ever make, choosing a mate. It all comes down to a set of genes known as the major histocompatibility complex, or MHC. MHC genes are a critical part of our immune system. They help our body distinguish between its own cells and foreign invaders like viruses and bacteria. Think of them as your body's unique immunological barcode. Everyone's MHC profile is slightly different, and this variation is key to a robust immune system. When we kiss, we are literally tasting and smelling the other person's MHC profile through chemical signals in their saliva and on their skin. Our brains are subconsciously analyzing this information, and we tend to be most attracted to people whose MHC genes are different from our own. Why? From an evolutionary perspective, this makes perfect sense. Pairing up with someone who has a different MHC profile increases the genetic diversity of your potential offspring. A child who inherits a wider range of immune system genes will be better equipped to fight off a broader spectrum of diseases and pathogens. So, that inexplicable chemistry you feel with someone? It might actually be your immune system giving a big thumbs up, recognizing a compatible and beneficial genetic partner. A bad kiss, on the other hand, might be your biology's way of saying, nope, our immune systems are too similar. Move along. This chemical assessment is so powerful that studies have shown it can even be influenced by external factors. For instance, research has indicated that women on hormonal contraceptives, which mimic pregnancy, may temporarily prefer the scent of men with MHC profiles similar to their own. This suggests that our biological priorities can shift, favoring the familiar scent of kin during a state that hormonally resembles pregnancy, rather than seeking out a genetically diverse partner for procreation. So, when you kiss someone, you're not just feeling the spark of romance. You are participating in an ancient, sophisticated biological process of mate assessment. Your body is gathering crucial data, evaluating genetic compatibility, and determining whether this person is a good biological match. It's a high-stakes interview, and the kiss is the final, most intimate stage. In essence, a kiss is a multi-layered phenomenon. It's a nostalgic echo of our evolutionary past, a neurological fireworks show flooding our brains with pleasure, and a sophisticated biological test for genetic compatibility. It's an act that satisfies our deepest needs for connection, trust, and intimacy while simultaneously serving a fundamental evolutionary purpose. So the next time you share a kiss, remember the incredible science at play. It's not just an exchange of fluids, it's an exchange of information, a chemical symphony, and a testament to the complex and beautiful ways we have evolved to connect with one another. Thanks for watching. If you found this exploration of philematology fascinating, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Sex Education Repo for more deep dives into the science of human sexuality and relationships.